This video offers instruction on different types of meditation techniques. This is video 12 of 24, Visualization. When we sit to meditate, we can use our imagination to visualize someone or something to focus our attention on. Now, what you choose to imagine is entirely up to you. However, the image should be something which inspires peace, clarity, and harmony. For some people, they like to pick a divine personage. For others, someone who they find inspirational. Others like to focus on a natural scene, a seascape or a landscape. A smile is often used too. When we're visualizing something, it's not important to be able to retrace or to mentally draw the image perfectly. It's more about getting an impression of the image in your mind's eye. Now, when you're visualizing it, you might be able to pinpoint specific details, or maybe you won't. And with your eyes closed and projecting your focus onto the image, these details might come and go and come and go. But what's of most importance is the impression that the idea of the image has on you. And this is what you want to focus on. This is not creative visualization, it's just visualization. And you're not using this technique to bring about any future reality or to bring about any specific results. You're just using the technique as a way of focusing your attention so that you can overcome all physical restlessness and relax the body. And you're using the technique so as to steady your mind and to experience peace. When you use visualization, the image can be static or it can be moving. It's up to you. Just remember, though, that you're not trying to create a narrative. You don't want to involve the thinking processes. It's just a simple expression in your mind's eye which you can focus on. And then, the more and more that you give your attention to this image, then the more and more your awareness will be absorbed into it, until such point that all that exists is the image.